I'm Anna.
And I'm Allison.
And welcome to the AA Lifestyle.
Welcome back.
And today we are in the kitchen because we're going to be making a super yummy treat for you guys. And not only is it a treat, but it's a vegan treat.
And our inspiration comes from some other YouTubers.
Nina and Randa.
Yeah. We like watching them on YouTube, so they recently came out with a book called The Clear Skin Diet. Not that either of us are full vegans, but we do enjoy trying to make vegan recipes every now and again, because we are trying to get a little more healthier with what we eat.
So basically, Nina and Randa, they believe in a starch-based diet, so it's high carb, low fat veganism, and they talk about it in their book, but they also cleared their acne, and that's like the basis of the clear skin diet, and they've helped so many other people clear it as well. And I just believe that's like so true, is what you eat will reflect in your skin.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And like, although I think it's really important to have like quality skincare and stuff like that, but above that is going to be your diet.
I notice that if I eat a lot of sugar or if I eat a lot of dairy, those are the two things that like the next day I will have a lot of breakouts.
No, definitely.
Yeah, I actually did follow this diet for a couple months, and oh my gosh, like my skin started clearing up like within a week. It was crazy.
And the recipe we're gonna be making today is called Pinch Me Peach Cobbler. Okay, so let's get all of the ingredients together.
So for this recipe, you need 5 peaches, and they need to be peeled and then sliced.
Actually, I think peaches are my favorite fruit.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Well, I don't know, that's hard to say. There's a lot of good fruits out there.
I don't know what my favorite fruit is. Actually, peaches is probably up there.
Yeah, like when they're really, like in the summer, when they're really like ready.
Yeah, I honestly don't know what I would pick otherwise.
I mean, because strawberry, like I love strawberries in different recipes. Like strawberry shortcake's really good, or like strawberry smoothies. But when you're eating strawberries on their own, you get like the seeds in your teeth and stuff.
Oh, I hate that, yeah.
But the thing with peaches, when you eat them, I always get like drips going down my hand
as you're eating them.
So
yeah,
I don't
really
know.
Juicy. That means you have a good one, because that means it's juicy.
It says preheat the oven to 350 degrees, which we do have going right now. And then grab a medium bowl, combine the peaches.
The peaches in there.
You have the peaches in there already. So we need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Next we need 1/4 cup of apple concentrate.
So we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so the last thing we need to put in this bowl right now is a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. I'm sorry for this poor quality video. So in an even smaller bowl, we need to combine the oats, flour, and cinnamon.
Okay, so can we put this aside?
Yeah.
We're not supposed to do anything with it and mix it or anything?
Oh wait, combine.
Oh, okay, let's combine it then. Okay, so then in the smaller bowl, we're gonna combine the oats, and we have 3/4 cup of rolled old-fashioned oats. Perfect. Okay, next you're gonna put in the flour, and we have 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. And then you're also gonna add in cinnamon.
Oh, I was like ready to put it in the maple syrup.
Tricked ya. Okay, so we're gonna be putting in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then it says to slowly add the maple syrup and applesauce into the oat mixture, gently mixing until thoroughly combined. And then it says that this is the topping.
Ooh. I'm actually, like whenever a recipe calls for sugar now, I always put in maple syrup instead.
Oh, like a substitute? That's a good idea.
Yeah, it's really good. A little bit more.
And then we need 2 tablespoons of applesauce. So
so good, I want to eat it. It looks like cookie dough.
Oh, it kind of does.
Okay, you have to look at that. Doesn't that look like cookie dough?
Oh my god, it smells so good. Is it good?
It's like raw oats.
Probably tastes better cooked. All right, so next it says to scoop the peach mixture into a glass or silicone 8-inch baking dish and spread evenly throughout. All right, so once we got it all spread out, this is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Looks good. Next, it says to carefully top the peaches with the oat mixture.
I'm really interested to see how this turns out. I don't even know if I've ever had peach cobbler before. So
Yeah,
I
I don't think I have either.
have anything to compare it to.
No, but it already like looks really good.
I think it would make it look really pretty if you put like cherries on top too.
Ooh, yeah.
Because it's kind of like bland looking right now. So we have our peach cobbler right here. Careful not to tilt it too much.
You don't want to spill the liquid.
So we're gonna put this in the oven for how long?
It says bake 35 to 45 minutes, and it's at
350.
350. And it says the oat mixture should be crunchy, but be careful not to overcook.
Okay, we'll have to keep an eye on it.
Okay.
We'll start with 35 minutes and then kind of go from there.
Yeah.
Okay, so 35 minutes, go. We just pulled it out of the oven and it smells so good.
Oh my goodness, I know, it smells delicious. It smells like cinnamon and peaches.
Look at that. It looks like it's kind of crunchy on the top.
All right, so it just came out of the oven and I got it on some plates here. First impression, I mean, it smells really good.
Yeah, it does smell really good.
Yeah. So I guess we'll just go ahead and taste it.
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous it's not going to taste good.
I'm sure it'll taste just fine. Ooh.
I like the peach.
It's like, Okay, the peaches are like, bring a really like good sweetness to it.
Okay, so I think the taste is good. But I think I would like it more crispy.
Okay.
Like to have a crunch to it.
A little bit more.
Or you could add like granola on top or something, like to make it just a little crunchy.
Well, we cooked it for 35 minutes, and they said you can cook it from 35 to 45 until it's crunchy. So I think if we would put it back in the oven for a little bit longer, then it would get a little bit more crunchy.
I don't know, if you were looking for an alternative to a dessert or want something for the summer that's light, this is perfect.
Oh yeah. You can make like a big batch of it, and then like you said, put it in the fridge and eat it for like a couple
I think
days.
it'd be really good cold.
Yeah, I think it would taste really good cold too. Honestly, like overall, it wasn't hard to make and it didn't take too long. I'd say the only part that I didn't really like was peeling the peaches. I feel like that was the only part that was time consuming. Otherwise, it's just really quick to throw all the ingredients together.
Yeah.
This turned out good. I would definitely make this again.
So that is it for our video today. I hope you enjoyed us making the peach cobbler. It was really good. I definitely enjoyed it.
Oh my god, yeah, it was so good. I definitely want to try some more recipes from this book.
Yeah. And if you're interested in learning more about veganism or Nina and Randa, go over to their channel on YouTube.
Yeah, because they know way more than we know about all this stuff, and they're like professionals at it. They've been vegan their entire lives.
Also, let us know if you end up making this recipe and how it turned out and what you thought of it.
Oh yeah, tag us in it. We want to see.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.